Hey everyone, welcome back to another brand new video. Are you spending thousands of dollars on Meta or Google Ads but missing out on accurate conversion data? iOS update and browser ad blocker are draining your tracking and performance. In today's video, we are taking your tracking game to the absolute next level. When it comes to server-side first-party tracking, everyone instantly thinks of Steps or Google Cloud platforms. But what if I told you there is an alternative that's allow you to bypass these platforms completely? You will not have to pay Steps recurring monthly subscription fee or deal with Google Cloud's highly complex architecture. That's right, Tracklution. Today we are exploring a powerful first-party alternatives built directly into the infrastructure. If you are a media buyer or a data-driven marketer looking to skyrocket your ROAS, this exactly strategy is a game changer. I am going to show you how to connect your first-party domain in under 5 minutes without any complex codings. And let's jump straight into the screen. Okay, so now I am in the Tracklution dashboard. This is the Tracklution website, and if you can create an account free at first, and this is their pricing, different pricings. Okay, so just I am create a free account for the testing purpose, and this is the dashboard users. So I have created the Tracklution setup, and it is a installation process. So I have connected the GTM template by the Shimohaba, and this is the guideline. So this is very easy to understand guideline by Shimohaba. So I have already integrated the Tracklution with my Google Tag Manager. So this is the setup of the Google Tag Manager. So at first I have created a data layer in the customer events. So this is the customer events, and I have theme independent data layer. So this is the data layer actually, and this data layer is developed as per the Facebook, Pinterest, Snapchat, as per the schema, as well as the GA4 schema. Okay, so I have already installed it the Google Tag Manager with my Shopify store. This is the Google Tag Manager code, and now I am in the Google Tag Manager. Okay, so this is the first Tracklution page view. So it is a setup for the page view event. Okay, so this is the Tracklution ID. You will get the Tracklution ID from there. This is the Tracklution ID, and this is the Tracklution ID, the Tracklution domain. Okay, this is the Tracklution domain, and I have just created the first event page view. So this is a lot of events. I have created the event page view, and there are a lot of options in there. So I just skip it. Now this is the page view. Okay, and then the setup for view item. So Tracklution view item. So this is the same thing, the Tracklution ID, Tracklution domain, and the event name is view content, and the event value, this is the variable, and this is the currency. So I have implemented the data layer. So I have created a variable from the data layer, and this is the data layer variable, and this is the currency, and this is the not custom parameter. You can use a custom parameters. So this is the e-commerce parameter. So I have installed the data layer as per the GA4 schema. So that's why I have just select the GA4 data layer and send the e-commerce event. But if you don't install the data layer as per the GA4 schema, so you have to create the different things, the manual. Okay, so you have to create the variable ID. So this is too much technical, and but this is the easy to task for the if you use the data layer. And this is the trigger, the view item. So just save it, and then the add to cart. So this is the same thing actually. If I click the add to carts, so this is the Tracklution ID, the Tracklution domain, the event name is add to cart, the value and currency, and this is the e-commerce parameter, is send e-commerce data, and GA4 data layer. Okay, and this is the purchase event. This is the begin checkout. So this is the same things, and the Tracklution ID, Tracklution domain, event name, value, currency, everything. And this is the purchase event, is the same things, purchase event, currency, everything. The last one is the purchase contract info. So for the Facebook or Google Ads, we send the user information to improve the event match quality as well as the attribution. So Tracklution owns actually the same things for the user data. So the event name is the contact info. Okay, so we send it our user details, the email, phone number, first name, last name, their address, postal code, city, country externally, and we have triggered the purchase event. So because all the user details will be we get in the purchase event, so that's why we set the same trigger for the purchase event. Okay, so that's it. Now I will preview it and actually check actually is it working or not. Okay, so I'm in the preview mode. Click on the preview and go to the testing mode, connect. So our page view will fire because I am in the already connected the GTM. So this is the page view, and we will go to the catalog page and a lot of products in here. If we go to our Tracklution dashboard and just refresh it, 20 minutes ago the event is captured here. So now we will click again on the home page and we'll go to the products. This is the products. So this is actually view item event is here. So if you click through these, the view item event is fire here, and the first event is the view page view. Okay, so the view item, if you click the variable, so our currency is USD, the event is view item, and our value is the 51. We already created variable for Tracklution. Okay, and if I go to our Tracklution and if I just refresh it, so it will become okay. This is the a few seconds ago the view content event is fire, and this is the page view. If I click there, so this is the this is the view item 5103, and this is the product price actually 51. Okay, it's working. And if I go to the in the add to carts, so our add to cart event is fire, and so this is the add to cart event. And now we'll go to the checkout. So our checkout event will be fire, and this is the checkout, begin checkout, and I will test a purchase for. Okay, so this is the purchase is fire, and if our TL purchase and the TL purchase contact info all event is fire. If I click the variable, so our user details is captured, the currency, user, customer address, so city, country, first name, last name, zip, email, everything, the purchase event, and the value. Okay, and this is the G4 schema as per the all the details here. This is for the G4 schema, and this is for Facebook browser side for Facebook schema. This is for Pinterest schema, and this is for the Snapchat schema. So if you use the retailer, so all are schema you and just here, no need to any optimization, no need to any put any code, you will get the treatment. Okay, so this is all thing is actually work. Okay, now we will go out the Tracklution dashboard and we will check actually. Okay, so we will just refresh again, and okay, so our purchase event also fire here. This is the purchase value, and the contact details also fire, and the initiate checkout, add to cart, everything. Okay, so if I just refresh it again, okay, so all are capturing here. You can also add the meta dashboard at Google Ads, LinkedIn, Google Analytics, TikTok, Snapchat, Pinterest, everything here. So if I click the add, and this is you have to put the pixel ID, the access token, and then you can just live. And this is a good enough, but Google Tag Manager for server-side tracking, for Facebook conversion API, server-side tracking with the help of Google Tag Manager is the most accurate, and this is also easy to trust, but this is for the non-technical person, and this is also good, provide a good result. But I always recommend to my customers for the Google Tag Manager with the conversion API for server-side tracking. If they want to set up for Facebook, so Facebook conversion API for Google Tag Manager, Google Tag browser side, Google Tag server side. So this is the page view, the view content, add to cart, insert checkout, and purchase event. So all data is capturing easy well. And if I go to our another dashboard, so this is the UK. So all user here data so are already connected the meta pixel here, and this is the for the this data is the meta, and this is the Google Ads, and this is the capturing the view content from the meta, and this is the add to cart from meta, and insert checkout is not capturing here. Okay, live dashboard. Okay, and this is the actually how many ad blockers recovery, and this is the another dashboard. Okay, so this is very interesting. Add to cart, insert checkout, all event here, how many event generated from different platforms. So also for meta 33, the Google Ads from 8, and I have already connected the meta pixel, so we can also connect the Google Ads and other platforms. Okay, and this is and if we set up the first party integration, so we have to click the first party mode and we have to create a custom subdomain. And this is, so I will just explain in another video. So video is very helpful to you, so you can subscribe to my channel and keep in touch for the next video. Okay, thank you so much.